Star right now.
I seen it too when I was going over there.
I saw it too. You did?
Yeah, when I was walking over there, yeah.
You see little signs saying like on the side they're like yellow and blue, and then they say like they have arrows pointing like.
Hey, I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay, must be my accent. Let me tell you what. Is that like a big gang of them walking over here? No. No, he's on another street. Okay, let me find it on the GPS over here. Why don't you just park over it, Martin? I'll choose mine.
Your phone isn't hooked up to my YouTube account.
Yeah, the fire. Oh, okay. Oh, no. What? On the what? On the beach, it might just like hide. That's on the future. Hide it.